Hello back everyone. So throughout this session we're gonna discuss about arithmetic operation inside JavaScript. So first of all, let's have here console.log 2 plus 3. As you can see, he will provide you with the result, which is 5. Perfect. The other one definitely gonna be subtract 2 minus 3. Here is it minus 1. And about multiplication, 2 times 3, he will provide you 6. And what about if we put two arithmetic operation like that, two multiply operation like that? See, it give me 8. Why is that? Because double multiply operation in ECMAScript 8 means power. So that one 2 power 3, it equal 8. Perfect. Alright, so let's continue. What about if we're gonna have a division? For example, 12 divide 3 will provide me with 4. Okay, one more. If we need to check about even or odd number, we're gonna use that percentage operator. So here is that if we say 12 percentage, for example, 6, he provide me with 0. Alright, okay, let's make it 12 percentage 2. 12 percentage 2 provide me 0. That means 12 is what? Is an even number. But look at that, if instead of 12 it will be 13. So look at that, 13 percentage 2, it will be 1. So if the rest of division is equal to 1, that means the number will be odd. Otherwise, if it's 0, it means the number will be even. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.